Hello there, spend the day with me as a girlie with an 8 to 5. This is me going to work, and I had to hop onto a border because it was raining and I was not about to walk. So this is me at work, enjoying every single bit of it. Just so you know, I am a fashion trainer and I love every bit of this. So this is me in my element, and if you are into fashion, I was teaching pattern drafting, honestly, which is one of my favorite units to teach. And just before I knew it, it was break time. And yeah, I had chapati chai because why not? And I was back to work. I think that I have mastered this so far so good, and I am enjoying being a trainer. It's one of the best parts of me because I get to connect with people, I get to work with people, I get to understand people better. I'm aware that I'm not a people person as much and I prefer to be alone, but when I'm at work interacting with students, it gives me some sense of satisfaction, and it actually forces me to interact with people, which is something I would not do if I was not working in such a situation. And then it was lunchtime, so I decided to crochet, and I'm having this really exciting project coming your way. And it's a project that most people have requested for on my TikTok. And if you've not followed me on TikTok, honestly, you're missing out on a lot, like so much. I do so much on my TikTok, whether it's styling videos, whether it's fashion videos, whether it's vlog videos, unboxing videos. I know that is the most content that I post on here, but I'm just starting here. But on TikTok, I have so much more reveals of garments from my other channels and all that. And also, if you've not followed me on my Instagram, you're missing on a lot of life updates. Make sure that you go on to my other platforms, follow me. I will have all the links in the description box, and I will appreciate it so much. I will also appreciate you giving me a like on this video and also subscribing down below, and that will help me out so much. Anyway, back to the video. I was really enjoying crocheting on this day, and I'm aware you're asking, how long is your lunch break? It's not that much, because I only crocheted like, was it 3 rows of this project? I will admit it's a little bit long, but I only did like 3 rows, and I didn't even go for lunch on this day because I was crocheting. But I also didn't get to do much. I was also vibing to music, which is something that I usually do a lot to pass time, and music has been that one little thing that holds me together. I do not know about you, but I'm loving country music lately. Not lately, that has been my genre for a long time, but I'm enjoying all-time country music. Let me know in the comments what your favorite genre or what music you're loving lately. And then later that day we had girls talk, and this is me tapping into my motivational speaker era. And girl, I do not know how people do this. It's not something easy to talk to people or motivate them, but as you can see, I managed. So I went home that day and made myself a nice dinner that is rice and meatballs. It was so yummy, and I got to enjoy all of this. And that's the end of my day. I really did love spending time with you, and I hope to see you in my next video.